Okay, question 5.8, nearly there now. What you are looking at here is what I might consider to be a classic exam style question. What was that? A classic exam question, right? So if you can do this particular question, you should be able to answer a question like it that comes up in the exam, okay? I don't think I can be any more explicit than that, can I? Let's read the question. The concentration of a drug in the body can be described by the exponential equation Ct equals C naught e to the minus lambda t. What does the minus mean? This time it's an exponential decay rather than an exponential increase, okay? Where C is the concentration in percent weight to volume in the blood time t. C naught is the concentration immediately after intravenous injection of the drug, and lambda is drug elimination rate. Linearize this equation, i.e. write it in the form of y equals mx plus c, and describe what you would need to plot on the axis of a linear plot in order to determine a value for lambda and C naught using Excel or otherwise. Okay. I haven't even asked you to calculate anything in this question. I'm asking you, how do I take this concentration, C naught e to the minus lambda t, what would I need to do to this equation to be able to plot it and fit a linear model to it? Well, I've got an exponential term in there, so I think I'm going to apply natural logs to both sides. Let's do that. ln Ct is equal to ln C naught. And then I've got, let's do it line by line. Okay, C naught e to the minus lambda t. Can't really do much with the left-hand side. Let's keep it as it is. The right-hand side, I can separate these two terms here by doing C naught plus, and let's keep it as it is a second, e to the minus lambda t. But remember, the ln of e to the x is equal to x. Okay, useful one to remember. Let's rewrite this. ln Ct is equal to ln C naught plus, actually now I can make it a minus because it's only the exponent that's left. Okay, this should look pretty familiar to you. Y equals C plus mx. It's a straight line equation of a straight line, where C is equal to ln C naught, and the gradient is equal to minus that decay rate. Okay. Right. So if you wanted to plot a straight line graph in order to determine what these were using Excel or sheets or whatever, you would plot something that looked like this. Okay. On your y-axis, you're going to put this term, that's ln of Ct. On your x-axis, you're still doing that in terms of time. It's a decay, so it's going to be a straight line, but it's going to have a negative gradient, okay? And it's going to have a y-intercept, which is equal to the ln of C naught, okay? Right. And that is what I would be expecting you to write in an exam situation. I would expect you to take the natural logs of both sides and tell me exactly what to plot on my y and x axis in order to determine the m and the c of a straight line fit.